Hi guys, this is open box review and on-job demo for DURATECH 2-piece push pin pliers. I got this as a free sample from the vendor, but I will share my open and honest review and feedback. And here's the category, including all the product made by DURATECH, and here's a lot of lovely thank you notes. And you got a 2-piece of pliers. Here's everything included in the little box. And this one is, there are two. This one is a 30-degree jaw. And you can see when you feel it, if it feels very good quality. There's a corrosion resistance sandy finishing. When you push it, you can feel the friction grip, a very solid feeling. And here's the 80-degree. You can put something deep into the areas. Let's weight it. So the first one is about 6.55 ounce, and the 80-degree weighted about a little bit lighter, 6.45 ounce. So it's very light, very good feeling. Now I'm gonna put it on job. I have Tesla, I wanna put the mud guard, so I have to remove the pin. You can see how easy I'm gonna use this in the pliers. And 80 degrees is perfect for this narrow areas. It's just easy to pop it off. You have to align the angle, make sure those two teeth fit in the shoulder of the pin, and then you just push it up, very easy. Without this tool, you have to use the regular Phillips head to put it out, very hard. And here's how it works. So you find the pin and you find the two shoulders and push the pin jaw on both sides and just press it, that it down. Overall, it's very good quality, well-made pliers. It's the right tool for the right job. The only limitation I can think about it is it's not a very universal tool. It's only for a certain job, but I really like it. Good tool, 5-star from me. Thank you.